Joe, to start the car, you got to turn the key and press this button right down there at the same time. That starts the car. There you go. Now this has got the bigger vacuum. That button right there, the vacuum is on. That's what goes up here. You got to let the car get about 15 to 30 seconds. Don't touch that button. That button has the vacuum pump on. That's the reason why it throws that check brake on it, because of the vacuum pressure. Here's your switch down here below the dash, right by the door jamb by the window. You click that over and that changes it. By clicking that switch, it'll do all kinds of different things for you. Change your speed to the right. That's all in the booklet, so you can see all that, what goes in there. The RPMs, the gauges and stuff. The AC is pretty simple. Just flip it on and turn the top two levers all the way over. Oh, my bad. The top lever and the bottom lever over. When you push this over, that goes to the defrost. So top lever all the way over, bottom lever all the way over, and you get ice cold air.
I hate, it's exactly right. I hate shopping.
The radio. David, you want to go show them the horns, the lights in the front?
Got your headlights and your park lights, high beams and low beams. Here's your driver blinker, passenger blinker. There are your wipers. There's your side marker. Tail lamps, no license plate bulb. There's your other side marker, blinker and blinker. What about brake lights, Mark? There's your brake lights. There you go. All right.
Thank you, Joe, for your back. Oh, real quick. For the top, when you go to do this, it's backwards. And you have to take the whole dash apart to get to it. Up is actually down, down is up. So when you're going to do this, remember, up is down and down is up. They're backwards. And again, when you go to start the car, you press this button and you turn the key at the same time. On a cold start, just give it a couple pumps and it'll fire right up. So your interior lights, all that good stuff. Air's nice and cold in here. And your gauges. So, thank you for your business, Joe, and your folder back here with all your information on receipts and stuff on the car.